coffee farmer, then you definitely need these clever money-saving tricks. Forget the harsh chemical sprays, pricey gardening tools, and expensive fertilizers. These gardening tricks will save you a lot of money and provide you with a holistic approach to gardening. Today's video will discuss 9 out of 10 gardeners don't know these tricks. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. 1. Plastic pots to deter pets and animals. Similar to how we use spikes to deter birds from landing on light poles, some people use forks to deter pets and wild animals from stampeding on their gardens. This trick will deter common animals such as rabbits, squirrels, and raccoons from ruining your plants. 2. Start a seedling in lemon peel. This is an easy starter pot for seedling made from natural citrus peel. Fill half a lemon peel with potting soil, then poke a hole in the bottom of drainage. Next are 2 seeds of your choice and water regularly. After seedling half overgrown, the lemon peel, transfer the entire thing into your garden. The peel will compost directly into the soil and nourish the plants as they grow. 3. Mounted garden with old boots. First, drill 5 holes in the bottom of your rain boots for water drainage. Next, use spray paint to color the outside of the rain boots with your favorite color. Hang boots along the fence and pair them together like they are taking steps as shown above. Finally, fill the boots with potting soil and plant your favorite flower inside. 4. Coffee grounds as pest repellent. Coffee grounds are an abundant source of organic matter. It contains 10% of nitrogen, which is a good natural source of nitrogen for your plants. Nitrogen helps plants by converting sunlight into energy. Additionally, placing coffee grounds on your plants can keep snails and slugs away because it is acidic and abrasive. Try to use 2 cups of coffee grounds in a 5-gallon bucket of water when fertilizing your plant. 5. Propagate roses using potato. A simple and mundane potato is a great way to propagate roses. Potatoes contain just the right amount of nutrient and moisture for rose cutting to develop and grow healthy roots. Note, this method also works for many other wood-stemmed plants. Have you ever tried this trick for your garden? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.